the leader, the reformer, the power woman. These are popular titles used for the iconic lady featuring on Do Big Stories today, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, the pioneer of the biotechnology industry in India and the founder of the country's leading biotechnology enterprise, Biocon. Named among Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is recognized as a thought leader who has made her country proud by building a globally recognized biopharmaceutical enterprise that is committed to innovation and affordability in delivering the best-in-class therapeutics to patients across the globe. On Do Big Stories today, we speak to her and understand how technology is disrupting the biopharmaceutical sector.
There are very important genes that are responsible for coding for very important proteins. And when there is a deficiency of such proteins, things go wrong. So what really biological medicines are trying to do is to really understand what is it that's causing that protein deficiency or that genetic deficiency, and whether you can actually make good that deficiency by expressing that gene that is required to code for that protein, or introducing the gene that is required to produce an important protein and thereby address the disease. You now come to stem cells and regenerative technologies, which is what also biotechnology covers, and there is not as deeper understanding, and therefore the whole regulatory and policy landscape is rapidly changing. And now you're coming to gene editing, you're coming to 3D printed organs, you're coming into a lot of different areas in terms of biotechnology, and therefore obviously regulations and policies are not able to keep pace with the rapidly changing landscape. We decided pharmaceuticals was the best opportunity for Biocon, and it was also a great differentiator for us because India had become very successful in chemically synthesized drugs, especially generics, and we felt that we should actually start becoming leaders in biopharmaceuticals, which is really what I'm talking about. So these are biologicals, these are products that are made from living cells. And then of course we have antibodies, which again look at using human genetic codes that code for certain antibodies to be actually inserted into mammalian cells, which also then produce those human antibodies. And therefore we are actually coming out with new treatment paradigms which are very different to chemically synthesized drugs. Although we have as a country in sheer numbers, we have a very large number of biologists and geneticists and microbiologists and immunologists and engineers. I think we just need to basically shape them into specialists. I think that's the challenge.